Today we're in the town of Itmann, West Virginia, and this is the Itmann Company store. According to Google, architect Alex Mahood started building this in 1923 and was completed in 1925. It was built by Italian immigrant stonemasons. It housed a post office, pool room, barbershop, doctor's office, apartments, and a company store that supplied everything for the community. Look at this. Look at this place. Look at this place. Wow. Hello?
Hey, Chris.
Look at this. Entryway.
This is the nurse's office. So we can do the medicines.
Wow. What's that back there? Yeah, plenty of lead paint in here. Guess we'll do this room first since we're here. There's a lot in there. In the mid-1980s, the coal mine company closed, and in 1987 the building was acquired and used as just a post office and Stonehaven, a homeless shelter. Bathroom. The building has sat vacant since 2012. Get a picture of this. Hello. Wow, look at this. Whoa, it's an old elevator. I thought the floor was bad, but... So Sharon asked if I dare go down these stairs. I mean, I might. I'm not completely scared yet. I might get completely scared, but I ain't yet, so... Ooh. What's in here? Definitely don't want to make a mistake and step right in there. So this was a vault. Nope, this is not the vault. So this is the vault. Let's see. Barely see. And of course, I've got to go up because there's 3 stories. I've got to get a picture of these stairs. We'll go this way first. Another bathroom. And this is the elevator shaft. It's been filled in with a little bit of trash. Alright. I guess now we're going down the stairs into the abyss.
Look at this gate.
Sharon said that gate's very heavy. So here we go down. Alright, let's just hope these stairs aren't rotten. Gotta be careful. So if y'all don't ever hear from us again, you know what happened. Ooh. Hopefully y'all can see. Alright, Sharon said let's go to the dark room. Watch that hole right there. Almost looks like we're in there. Going into a dungeon. I've got to figure out a way. Alright. There's that room. Look at these doors. I'll have to get a picture of that in just a minute. It's almost got that dungeon vibe to it. Huh? Yeah. That goes way back there. Wow. Pretty cool. Yeah, we'll go out this door. I want a picture of it. Hold on. Alright, so now we're out of this one. I hope this holds a old fat man, because that thing's deep. It's the elevator shaft. Pretty cool, huh? Hang on just a minute. I want to get a picture of that right there.